Okay. Ready, guys? Let's go. We're coming up to the bridge where the troll lives. Get ahead of me, guys. Go on ahead of me. Make lots of noise, guys. Make lots of noise so the troll doesn't get you. Woohoo! You guys made it through. He didn't get anybody. The troll didn't get you, eh? No. All right. We all survived, guys. Come here. Give me a big bark for the Boyne dog, Snow Dog. And that's all she wrote.